Hello, third grade, and welcome to our Fractured Fairy Tale unit. Over the past couple of days, we've been talking about what fairy tales are, and you have been hopefully listening to some fairy tales. Some you may know, and some you may not know. So let's just kind of briefly remember what is a fairy tale. A fairy tale is a short story that includes some sort of fantasy or magical characters like elves and gnomes, mermaids, fairies, giants, and they're usually in some sort of enchanted land that the setting is. Now, the elements of a fairy tale are seen here. Usually they are set in the past, maybe a very, very long time ago. They include some sort of make-believe aspect or fantasy, supernatural powers. They typically incorporate good characters versus evil characters, and they often use the number 3, such as the 3 little pigs, the 3 billy goats gruff. Usually the element of 3 comes into play with fairy tales. A lot of times the plot focuses on some sort of conflict that needs to be solved or a problem, and usually they end happily, like happily ever after. Fairy tales were told verbally a long time ago to teach lessons or to demonstrate the values that we should live our life by. Now, some typical fairy tales that you may have heard of in the past: Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Little Red Riding Hood, Rumpelstiltskin, Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, Cinderella, the 3 billy goats gruff, Jack and the Beanstalk, Gingerbread Man, 3 Little Pigs. These are all traditional, typical fairy tales. Now, what is it when we talk about a fractured fairy tale? A fractured fairy tale is when an author takes a traditional fairy tale and bends the story a little bit. Just like if you fracture a bone in your body, you do not break it, you actually bend it. And so what happens is an author will take a traditional fairy tale and they'll change certain elements of the story. They may change the characters. They may change the setting. They may add a twist. They may try to make it more modern. So they're not changing the entire story. They're just changing certain elements or bending the story a little bit. Now, what we're going to be doing is your lesson or objective for today is that I'm going to ask you to listen to a traditional fairy tale and then find a fractured version of that fairy tale. And you're going to compare the two. So, such as I listened to Sleeping Beauty, and then I found the fractured version called Sleeping Bobby. The differences were that Sleeping Beauty is a female character. Sleeping Bobby, the author has changed it to be a male character. And so the story gets told in a little different way because the main character has changed genders. So another very typical one would be the 3 Little Pigs. That is the traditional fairy tale. Well, there's a fracture called The 3 Little Pigs Meet the Big Bad Wolf. And it's told from the wolf's point of view. So the wolf then tells his story. So today I want you to listen. I've put them on the website. Listen to a traditional fairy tale and then listen to a fracture. And then I want you to compare them in the Google document that I have put on the website for you. I hope you have fun, third grade, and think about how fun some of these fractured fairy tales really are. All right, I will see you tomorrow.